Children, we are starting with practice set 11.3. Question number 1. Show the following information by percentage bar graph. Here the table is given to us. Division of standard A, B, C, D are the sections given. Number of students scoring A grade are given for all the sections. Total number of students are given. Here we have to calculate the percentage of securing students A grade. So number of students scoring A grade is 45 out of 60. So 45 upon 60 into 100 will give us 75% of section A. Section B, 33 students are scoring out of 55 A grade. So 33 upon 55 into 100 equals to 60%. 10 upon 40 into 100, it comes to 25%. And 15 upon 75 into 100, it comes to 20%. Now this was the percentage of students scoring grade A. We have taken from the grade A given. Next column, percentage of students not scoring A grade. It will be 100 minus 75 equals to 25. 100 minus 60 equals to 40%. 100 minus 25% equals to 75%. 100 minus 20% equals to 80%. Because we have to draw the graph, subdivided bar graph. So please see here. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 10%. As percentage is given, so students scoring A grade is shown by dark and students not scoring A grade is shown by white only, light. So here on x-axis, we will take division. You know how to take the graph now. So A, B, C, D will be divisions of class 8 on x-axis and percentage of number of students on y-axis. So 1 centimeter equals to 10%. Now 75% was there students scoring A grade and rest 25%. For section B, 60% A grade, not scoring 40% means 60 plus 40 again 100%. For section C, 25% scoring A grade, others not scoring A grade 75%, total comes to 100%. And for section D, 20% scoring A grade and rest 80% not scoring A grade. Here in percentage graph, you will see that all the subdivided bar graph are of equal height up to 100%. It must come only. Very clear? Very simple problem it is. Next. Observe the following graph and answer the following questions. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 10%. Again, percentage problem only. Production of tur is shown by dark and production of gram is shown by empty. So here you see farmer from names are given on the x-axis, Ajita, Yash, Ravi and Sudha. And on y-axis, percentage of production in farm is given in percentage. Here are some questions given. The given graph is a percentage bar graph. So how much percent is the tur production to total production in Ajita's farm? Percent of tur production to the total production in Ajita's farm is 60%. Please see here. Tur for Ajita is up to 60. This is tur. Therefore, percent of tur production to the total production in Ajita's farm is 60%. Compare the production of gram in the farms of Yash and Ravi and state whose percentage of production is more and by how much. Yash and Ravi. Yash and Ravi from 50% to 100 means 50% is for Yash and for Ravi 70 to 100 means 30% is for Ravi. So here you see production of gram in the farm of Yash is 50%, production of gram in the farm of Ravi is 30%. Difference in the production 50% minus 30% equals to 20%. Therefore, the Yash production of gram is more and is more by 20%. Whose percentage production of tur is the least? Tur production is least. It is shown by the dark line. Least is 40%. It is of Sudha. Sudha's percentage production of tur is the least. Next, take the production percentage of tur and gram in Sudha's farm. For Sudha, tur is 40% and gram is rest means 60%. So here we will come across production percentage of tur and gram in Sudha's farm are 40% and 60% respectively. Next problem. The following data is collected in a survey of some students of 10th standard from some schools. Draw the percentage bar graph of the data. School is given as first, second, third and fourth. Inclination towards science stream. Here number is given 90, 60, 25 and 16 and inclination towards commerce stream. Total number of students. So here percentage of students having inclination towards science stream we have to calculate. So what we will do, students attracted towards the science stream of that school 90 out of 150. So 90 upon 150 into 100 equals to 60%. Next, 60 upon 80 into 100 equals to 75%. For third school, 25 upon 50 into 100% is 50%. And for fourth school, 16 upon 40 into 100 is 40%. And like that of commerce stream also we can take. Commerce stream for first school is 60 out of 150 into 100. For second school, 20 upon 80 into 100 is 25%. Third school, 25 upon 50 into 100 equals to 50%. And fourth school, 24 upon 40 into 100 equals to 60%. Very clear? This is percentage table what we have drawn. Now you know how to take the scale. On y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 10%. Inclination towards the science stream with dark and inclination towards commerce stream with light or empty. So as per the table, here on x-axis we are taking the school, first, second, third and fourth school. On y-axis we are taking the percentage of number of students. So for first school, towards science is 60% and 40% towards the commerce. For second school, it is 75% towards science and towards commerce 25%. For third school, 50% it is for science and commerce. So 50% for science we have marked, 50% for commerce. Here for fourth school, 40% is for science and 60% is for commerce. So like this, we can draw the percentage bar graph. This much is sufficient for this class. In the next video, we'll come with the new chapter. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.